new Disney Plus series of Loki has just concluded, and I found this fantastic STL file for Miss Minute, and decided to print as many as I could fit on my build plate so that I could give some to friends. It is a very easy character to paint, so this should be a fairly quick video. These are the colours I'm going to be using, starting with the red surface primer, then I have a Game Air orange, which looks very similar to the shade Miss Minute is on the show. Then I have some Liquitex acrylic ink, white and yellow, which I'll use to really make the character pop and bring out some glow effect. So far all this will be done via an airbrush. When I switch to detail, I'm just going to use matte white and matte black. Also, I haven't shown it here, but I'm also using a satin varnish to seal the model. I'm starting with the red primer, thinned down with airbrush flow improver. I'm going to work around the model, making sure to hit it from every angle. Some of the features, especially on the face, will be hard to properly reach. You might have noticed I glued some spare bases to the feet. These models were quite unevenly weighted and won't stand on their feet on their own, so that's something to consider if you print these as well. With the base coat done, I'm moving straight into orange to try and tint parts of the model, focusing mostly on where light will hit and the clock face itself, which I want to be the lightest colour and give a hint of an outward glow. This effect may look fairly dull, but that's okay. The next step is where you'll see it much more drastically shift. So now I'm using Liquitex titanium white, starting at the middle of the clock face and working out so the brightest is the middle. I'm also going to hit some of the arms and the top of the clock just to add some extra highlights. Now the Liquitex yellow. I don't want to see any of the white anymore. Its purpose was to brighten the area so that the topmost layers will look really bright and maybe even give it a bit of a glow feel. This is how it looks. I think if you're going for a high glow look, then you could probably stop doing the base coats here and move on to detail. However, I want to bring this down to more of an orange. And there it is. With another light coat of orange, I think this looks pretty good and still retained a lot of the glow effect. At this point, I coated them with a layer of satin varnish to lock in the colour and prevent the inks from running. Then moved on to the detail. The details were fairly simple. I just used the white and black in the same locations as they were on the show. The white needed 3 or 4 coats to really look appropriate, but in the end I'm quite happy with how this has turned out for about 40 minutes of work. So what do you think? I hope this has helped you if Miss Minute is on your to paint list. Did you enjoy the Loki series? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more miniature content. Thank you.